Hey everyone, Aaron from Ariens here, showing you how to replace worn paddles on your Ariens single-stage snow throw. If your Ariens S18 Path Pro or Professional 21 isn't scraping or pulling into snow as effectively as it used to, its paddles may have worn down too far. You can verify this by checking if the paddles receded beyond the wear indicator hole shown here. Remove the contents from the packaging and confirm you have 2 paddles and a hardware bag with the instruction sheet. Tip the unit back so it rests on its handlebars, but no farther back than the handlebars allow. Ensure the unit is secure and won't tip forward. Remove the hardware securing the paddles to the side plates and the center plate. You can remove the paddles once they're completely disconnected and then discard. Insert the bushings supplied in the hardware bag into the holes through each paddle. Install one of the paddles in the center plate and align the holes in the paddle with the holes in the plate. Secure the paddle to the center plate with 2 of the bolts and 2 of the nuts supplied in the hardware bag. You don't need to install washers on these bolts. Secure the paddles to their side plates with 2 bolts, 2 washers, and 2 of the nuts supplied in the hardware bag. Install each hardware set so the bolt is through the front of the paddle and that the nut is secured against the side plate. Now repeat that process with the remaining paddle. Remember to install 1 washer onto each bolt going through the side plates and to install those bolts in the correct orientation. Ensure the paddles are secure and that they rotate freely. If everything checks out, return the unit to its operating position. Regardless of the paddle set you're installing, the installation procedure is going to be about the same between any Ariens single-stage model. Just remember to always replace paddles in pairs. Don't only replace one paddle. To replace the paddles on your Ariens S18, use kit 538051. For Path Pro models, use kit 738015. And for Professional 21 series models, use high wear paddle kit 738012. High wear paddles are made of a thicker, tougher material that lasts longer. High wear paddles can also be installed to any Path Pro series model. To find the right paddles for your Ariens single-stage snow throw, visit your nearest Ariens dealer, which can be found by going to ariens.com/dealer or shop from home at parts.ariens.com. That's all for today, but as always, remember to contact your nearest Ariens dealer if you have any questions about your single-stage paddles. And of course, if you like this video and want to see more helpful content from Ariens, subscribe to our YouTube page to be notified whenever we share a new video like this one.